Actress Madhuri Dixit Nene has been honing her skills at dishing out Sri Lankan cuisine during this lockdown. On Wednesday, the veteran star took to Instagram and shared that she has been putting to practice at home what she learned at cooking class last year. The Sri Lankan cooking class we took last year has definitely come in handy during this lockdown, she wrote. Along with it, Madhuri also shared a throwback picture with her family from their vacation in Sri Lanka. In one image, we see Madhuri, her husband, and elder son posing along with chefs. She even asked her followers to mention their favorite cuisines in the comment section. Madhuri has been trying various art during the lockdown. Recently, she made her debut as a pop singer with her single Candle. She dedicated the song to COVID-19 frontline workers. Work hard and chill harder is the mantra actress Ileana D'Cruz follows. Ileana, who keeps entertaining her fans and followers with her workout pictures and videos on social media, took to Instagram and shared a stunning picture of her toned legs. The backdrop has a view of the sky. She captioned the picture, "Work hard, chill harder." Ileana will next be seen in Ajay Devgan's production titled The Big Bull, a film reportedly based on India's biggest security scam of 1992. The film also stars Abhishek Bachchan. Bollywood actress Neha Dhupia was recently snapped jogging at Bandra Bandstand. The actress was seen wearing orange jacket teamed up with green trouser and a cap. On the acting front, Neha was last seen in short film Devi. The social media team of Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut has commented on the alleged past relationship between late Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput and his Kedarnath co-star Sara Ali Khan. News of SSR and Sara affair was all over the media. Apparently, they were even sharing a room during their outdoor. Why these fancy nepotism kids show dreams to vulnerable outsiders and then publicly dump them? No wonder he fell for a vulture post that, tweeted Kangana team from their verified account on Thursday. The news that Kangana talks of pertains to Sushant's friend Samuel, who posted on his verified Instagram account about the alleged relationship between Sushant and Sara earlier on Thursday. "I remember the time during Kedarnath promotions, Sushant and Sara were totally in love. They were inseparable, so pure and childlike innocence. They both had tremendous respect for each other, which was so rare to see nowadays in relationships," Samuel wrote in a post on his verified Instagram account. Samuel also opened up on the eventual breakup after the box office debacle of Sushant's 2019 film Son Chiraiya. Even though Kangana's social media team did not take names, it is known to all that Sushant was dating actress Rhea Chakravarti till the time of his tragic demise. Did Kangana just call Rhea a vulture? Many netizens have wondered. And Sara Ali Khan a fancy nepotism kid. Bollywood actress Kareena Kapoor Khan is pregnant second time. Babu loves spending time on social media. The actress recently shared her no makeup selfie on Instagram. In the photo, Kareena can be seen wearing a colorful bikini. On the work front, Kareena Kapoor Khan will next be seen in Lal Singh Chaddha. The film also stars actor Amir Khan in lead role. Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut on Thursday shared a family throwback picture from her childhood. Sharing the picture on Twitter, she wrote, "This picture was clicked in January 1998 at my parents' house in Mandi. Two kids standing beside me are my brothers Akshat and Karan, and both are getting married now in November. Never saw such an excitement in our family, yet I wonder where did we lose all those years." On the work front, Kangana will be next seen in Thalaivi and Dhakar. Actress Hina Khan, who has been a part of television for over a decade, says she does not see the format and content of the medium changing because this is what the audience demand. At a time when the web space is booming with content-driven projects, why are the audience still watching shows on the small screen that seem regressive? Hina, who essays the title role in the 5th season of the superhit TV show Nagin, feels the audiences does not like to watch shows on small screen that are little progressive. OTT platforms are there, and I am a fan of OTT platforms. I do watch a lot of shows on OTT platforms. I don't see the content changing in television. I don't really see that happening because people like what they watch, and this is why we get ratings, because they are happy. Is it regressive? Our show Nagin is completely different, Hina told INS. The actress who made a transition into films in 2020 says the only thing she sees is that people will now or later completely move on to iPads and their phones and watch all the soaps there. Nothing is going to change in terms of content. When you talk about television, Nagin is completely different. It is a supernatural show. Other than I don't see that format or content changing in television because this is the audience demand. It is all about demand and supply. If they stop watching it, they will stop making such shows, she concluded.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.